My apologies. I've been listening to some music on my little trip. So, yep. It's actually a pretty nice day today. Too bad I'm injured, or else I think I would spend more time riding. But I'm happy that went to DMV today and got things taken care of, as well as my insurance. So what do everyone think of the Taipei traffic? People, the riders here. Feels like they're always in a hurry to go somewhere. Now, I'm not in a hurry. Just gotta take my time. Splitting lanes is pretty fun, but roads here are a little bit narrow. I was pretty fearful when I first started riding here, because the cars and scooters and everyone's so compact and close together. But I think after a while, you kind of get used to it. So it's not so bad now. Just gotta take it easy and be careful while riding. And look for your blind spots. Check your mirrors often. Other than that, you know, it's pretty basic, I guess. So, take it nice and easy. Oh, I recognize this place. We used to rent my motorcycle from this store, or shop rather, and the lady her name is Mosquito. I doubt she'll be watching my channel, but yeah, for some reason she gave herself the nickname of Mosquito, which I thought it was kind of interesting. Because, you know, people usually have a negative connotation of mosquitoes. You know, nobody want to be bitten, but, you know, she wanted to call herself Mosquito. And I think what she meant by that is that she likes to, I guess, take money, because she rents out motorcycles as the business. So it kind of means sucking someone's blood by renting a motorcycle or whatnot. I mean, it's still a negative connotation, but if that's what you want to be called, then so be it. maybe is some kind of joke here in Taiwan that